Okay, so I've been wanting to film this video for so long. I tried to film it yesterday, the intro was super windy, so I'm making Mackenzie help me again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys around my sorority house. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Lindy. I am an Ole Miss student. This is my sorority house at Ole Miss. About 400 other girls call this place home, and I can't wait to show you guys around. If this is your first time seeing me, definitely subscribe. I try to post videos here about twice a week. I also like to post on Instagram a lot because I'm obsessed with that platform, so follow me on there too. My link will be down below and on the screen. Alright, so right when you walk in, we are in the living room, and it's just kind of like a big hangout space. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4 individual little sections. Let's see what we got popping over here. Personally, like this couch. Here we have a nice little shrine to our founders. Shout out to Mary, and Martha. Can't forget about Martha. I love this painting. This is a fountain on campus, and it's the Piney Fountain. It's like a quatrefoil, which is our shape, and it's on campus, not by our house, so we get to stunt in various areas of the campus, which is always nice. We have a piano for those of you who are musically inclined, myself not included. I did take piano lessons for a few months, but I also quit, so. Usually there's people like during the weekdays all hanging out in here doing homework or just talking, but it's a Saturday and I feel like everybody left the entire town, so this was like perfect time for me to film, except for it kind of looks dead, but you know, there's usually people. Tables for studying, and then over here to the left of the living room is, it goes by many names, the study room. It's recently become the TV room more of. It used to be a place where everyone would study and be quiet, but we actually have a TV. So lately it's become the TV room. People watch The Bachelor in here. I stayed up in here one night till like 3:30 and watched Forensic Files, which, I mean, kind of freaky, but it's fine, like that's just who I am. A long table for studying or for playing card games. If you're me and my friends, I really don't like card games, but I like social interaction, so I hang out with them anyway. Like, this is the biggest couch. Is this not the biggest couch you've literally ever seen in your entire life? How many people could lay on this at one time? A lot. Many people. At least 4. Alright, dining room bound. Alright, so this is our dining room. This section with like the little lion's head, the view, the bar, everything, and then the island over here is all new, and that's been so lit having that. I don't have an island at home, so I really feel like I'm at home, but like at somebody else's house, like somebody else's nicer house when I'm here, so I like that. We don't hang out around the island. This place is packed during meal hours during the week, and other than that, people are usually studying in here. Okay, so these are like strobe lights inside here, and on Fridays, our house mom likes to turn them on, and honestly, it's so lit. Everyone has a party, it flashes different colors. We just tried to find the remote, but we couldn't find it. I guess they locked it up, so. Okay, so here we have like a little snack section. Your girl loves to get a nice solid ice water, nothing better. And honestly, this water hits. And did you see that? That was Sonic Ice. Yes. Honestly, the best addition to this house has been Sonic Ice. I won't tolerate slander on that. Various fruits. Isn't that nice? How nice is that? We love that. Coffee. I love this little Tezo station right here. I love hot tea. Various juices. Okay, so we're in our chapter room now, and I love this little like collage wall situation. So we have meetings in here, and then also this is like a study room type space for girls. Alright, so around this room we have composites, we have awards. I love this. This is like our new little trophy case section. Somebody opened the door. I'm about to have an anxiety attack.
Someone open the door?
No, but if they do.
Oh.
This is our upstairs porch, which I love hanging out on here. Mackenzie and I would always sit here football game mornings because the Grove, if you're familiar with Ole Miss, we all tailgate the Grove. The Grove is like there, directly, our neighbor to the right, so we all pick one, hang out and sit down there, watch people setting up their tents, watch people rolling in for game days. It's literally the best. We always will get food from like the Union, which is our backdoor neighbor, and I'll grab like a cute oval bowl and sit up here and eat. It's the best, especially if it's warm out. It's like really cold right now. Also, it's just so cool to be able to sit on the porch of this house and look around and be like, these are my neighbors. These other beautiful houses, beautiful mansions are my neighbors in the Grove. What are you kidding? How did I get so lucky? I don't know. Alright, I'm freezing to death. Okay, so this is weird, but I love our bathroom upstairs, so I wanted to show you guys, like, look at this It's a freaking lion head. Are you kidding? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more of these, just let me know. I'd love to see if I can get in contact with some other sororities on campus and weasel my way into their house and get a tour. Thank you guys, and subscribe if you don't already.